there, welcome to Very Vegan with Terri. My favorite thing is pumpkin pie. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with 2 cups of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of flax meal, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/3 cup of water. I'm just gonna press this down and bake this in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and make the filling. A 14-ounce can of pumpkin, 1 1/3 pitted dates, 3/4 cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, 1/4 cup of arrowroot powder, 2.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This will go in the crust. To make the whipped cream, 1 cup of cashews, 3 dates, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup of water. That looks like a dollop of whipped cream. Thank you, and you know the love of Jesus Christ.